Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Fakhr Chima, Secretary to Water and Power Development Authority. On behalf of Authority's Chairman, Lieutenant General Sajjad Ghani, and all the members of the Authority, I welcome you all to this auspicious occasion of inaugural ceremony of Unit 5th and 6th of Manggala Refurbishment Project. Ladies and gentlemen, we are deeply indebted, honored, and feeling highly privileged to have the Honorable Prime Minister, Islamic Republic of Pakistan, Mr. Mohammad Shahbaz Sharif, as chief guest today. Thank you very much, sir. To begin with, let's bless ourselves with the word of God. Recitation from Holy Quran, the book that strives the whole humanity into one big family. May I request Qari Muhammad Riaz to recite verses from the Holy Quran.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الله الذي خلق السماوات والأرض وأنزل من السماء ماء فأخرج به من الثمرات رزقا لكم وسخر لكم الفلك لتجري في البحر بأمره وسخر لكم الأنهار صدق الله العظیم. اللہ کے نام سے شروع جو بڑا مہربان نہایت رحم والا. اللہ وہ ہے جس نے آسمانوں اور زمینوں کو پیدا فرمایا اور آسمان کی جانب سے پانی اتارا، پھر اس پانی کے ذریعے سے تمہارے رزق کے طور پر پھل پیدا کیے، اور اس نے تمہارے لیے کشتیوں کو مسخر کر دیا تاکہ اس کے حکم سے سمندر میں چلتی رہیں، اور اس نے تمہارے لیے نہروں کو مسخر کر دیا. وآخر دعوانا ان الحمد للہ رب العالمین.
Jazakallah. Now I would invite Lieutenant General Sajjad Ghani, Chairman, Water and Power Development Authority, for his welcome remarks.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Your Excellency, Mr. Mohammad Shahbaz Sharif, Honorable Prime Minister of Pakistan, Your Excellency, Mr. Donald Bloom, the U.S. Ambassador to Pakistan, Mr. Sardar Tanveer, the Prime Minister of AJK, Mr. Reed Ackerman, Mission Director, MS Stantec, the consultant group, MS Hydro G France, the builders. I used a word builder which sounds better to me than a contractor. So distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, it is indeed an immense pleasure for me to welcome you at the inaugural ceremony of Unit 5 and Unit 6 of Manggala Refurbishment Project. I and Team WAPDA are particularly thankful to the Honorable Prime Minister, U.S. Ambassador, and the mission head. I also warmly welcome Mr. Tariq Fatmi. Ladies and gentlemen, federal government has shown a keen and resolute interest for providing clean, green, and cheap energy to the people of Pakistan. And to this end, WAPDA has undertaken a two-pronged strategy. One, develop new mega projects of high capacity, and secondly, to refurbish and enhance capacity of our existing projects which may have suffered for want of refurbishment, old age and vintage. Amongst the new projects that the government of Pakistan is undertaking are the mega projects such as the Amir Bhasha Dam, the Dasu hydropower project, the Mohammed Dam, and amongst the middle tier projects they include Kuramtangi, Neagash, Nolang, and certain other micro and mini hydropower projects. And amongst the projects that need refurbishment and upgradation include Tarbela, which is continuously, which is at this point in time, is undergoing an extension project. One of it has been completed, which is known as T4, and at this point in time we are undertaking T5. Manggala is also a refurbishment project, which capacity enhancement. So is Varsak, and so is Chashma, and a couple of other projects which need refurbishment. In the case of Manggala Dam, this project was initiated in early 60s, 1962, and as a sequel to Indus Basin Treaty, with the help of the World Bank, this project started in 1962 and got completed in 1967 at a project cost of rupees 2 billion only. And the consultants was MS Binney and Group from UK. And while the builder of this dam was a JV, Atkinson's from US. And earlier in the day, I was sharing with His Excellency, the Ambassador, that the temporary workers' colony that was set up in the early 60s, that was done so well, and it was so strong and so resilient that we still continue to use the facilities of that colony with a little bit of refurbishment. And similarly, when you go through the powerhouse and when you go to the other infrastructure of them, you can find that the strength, resilience, and robustness of the American builders, their equipment, and their other projects. It was realized in 2004. So it was decided to raise the level of the reservoir by 30 feet, which the designer had created a provision in its early design.